If you have curls that are flat and inconsistent, this one is for you. We are giving Bianca bold, beautiful curls utilizing Giovanni's Curl Habit line. We're going to go ahead and start with shampoo and conditioner. I love that deep conditioner, by the way. And do a nice shampoo. This is the leave-in. This detangles for easy manageability. It also helps to define styles, curls, and waves. It tames frizz and flyaways and provides moisture for the hair. This is the Curl Habit Mousse and the Habit Styling Cream. I love to cocktail these together, putting them all over my hands as I work my fingers through the hair, making sure we have equal saturation. A lot of people with curly hair don't like to comb through the product, but I want to make sure that we have equal saturation. Comb through with the Giovanni wide tooth comb, and then we start the diffusion. Slow and steady. Here is a really great hair hack. I wrap it around my little pinky to help curls form, and these are just double prong clips to help lift the hair off the scalp so you get maximum body and volume, and you can just let it air dry or utilize a diffuser. Slow and steady, and look at that, great curl.